The entire regeneration is composed of 3 distinct phases. When we look at the entire model here, we have the restoration phase, we have the healing crisis, and we have the normalization phase. Each phase has a very specific reason, very specific goal for being there. The goal of the restoration phase is actually to undo whatever happened during the adaptation phase. The goal of the healing crisis is kind of scanning, are we done yet? Is everything being restored that needs to be restored? And the normalization phase is basically the cleaning up of the residue after the restoration phase. So for example, when I borrow money from the bank, right? I gave this metaphor before, but it's good to repeat again. And let's assume there's no interest. When I borrow $100 in the adaptation phase, I need to give $100 back in the restoration phase. When I borrow 200, I need to give back 200. When I borrow 400, I need to give back 400. Then we're equal. When I give back the same amount, then we're equal again. However, when I borrow 100 and only give 50 back, we're not equal. I still need to pay 50 back later. Remember this metaphor. The restoration phases also are on multiple levels. So if on the psychological level, we are in the process of restoration, also in the brain, the physical impact point in the brain is in restoration. Also the organ, the typical tissue is in restoration phase. Also the autonomic nervous system is in restoration phase. Also social experience and social expression is in restoration phase. So we have a generic restoration phase, which is more like sit back and relax, tired, and we have tissue-specific restoration phases. And we'll go into that in the next video.
Now remember to subscribe to this channel so you never miss anything. Just hit the subscribe button.